this weary world of ours, and live among the birds, the flowers, the butterflies, the crickets, and the frogs.
Would be a far more pleasant thing than sitting here and witnessing our civilization going to the dogs.
Why, just regard the headlines in case you haven't read.
In Budapest, the bread lines have all run out of bread.
The pubs across Great Britain will soon be forced to close.
Our delegate to Switzerland comes home with a bloody nose. Oh, messy.
10,000 heads of Chinese bandits hang high in the crowded streets of Shanghai.
Markets dropped to 00. My gangsters made a national hero.
Royalist and Bolshevistic, Bolshevist and royalistic.
War in Timbuktu. Snakes escape from London Zoo.
No more cows in Channel Islands, no more grouse in Scottish Highlands.
No more cowboys on the prairies, in the bushes, no more fairies.
Every moment faster, faster, closer, closer comes disaster. Darling, if you love me, you'd better take me back to nature with you.
Back to nature, we two. What a shake-up in life's monotony.
And yet to wake up with you and botany.
Of music without for the sweet life of man.
And when night falls without apology, you can give me your lesson in biology.
For I so want to go where you